Cooking. Cook. She loves to cook Italian food. Bake. He likes to bake cakes on weekends. Fry. She is frying eggs for breakfast. Decorations. Painting. There is a beautiful painting on the wall. Vase. The vase is filled with fresh flowers. Curtain. The curtains are closed at night. Garage. Car. The car is parked in the garage. Bicycle. Her bicycle is stored in the garage. Tools. He keeps his tools in the garage. Store. Cart. He pushed a cart through the grocery store. Cash register. He paid for his groceries at the cash register. Basket. She carried a basket full of fruits. Yard. Yard. Garden. She is planting flowers in the garden. Lawn. He mows the lawn every week. Fence. The fence needs to be painted. Rest. Rest. Relax. He likes to relax on the sofa. Read. He reads a book before bed. Sleep. He needs at least 8 hours of sleep. Cleaning. Clean. We need to clean the house before the guests arrive. Sweep. He is sweeping the floor. Dust. Dust the shelves every week. Workplace. Laptop. She used her laptop to write an email. Printer. She printed the report using the office printer. Keyboard. She typed a letter on the keyboard.